my channel. You might be wondering what is she wearing. I'm wearing an African outfit. This look is actually inspired and requested by one of my viewers, so I hope you like it. Today I'm going to share with you fun activities. I engage with my lovely sons and also take you around the Zeeland, so come with me. I'm so sorry for whispering. I'm in the train, so I'm going to share with you my look. I'm wearing a jacket, my shirt, of course, and my jean. It's a black jean I got in Middleborough, and my football black shoes. Simply gorgeous. Whenever I'm in the train, please take one mess with me. Make sure to keep me hydrated and refreshed, and of course, it's very cold for you health. Get to be asked, hello, do you have children? Yes, I have 2 sons. They are 7 and 3. I'm actually going to visit them now at the school. So yeah, you get to see my lovely boys. Train. I'm walking towards there to see my lovely boys. This is the train station. This is how it looks like. It's going to Amsterdam. Can you see it? Amsterdam Central. The weather is not that cold today in the Netherlands. It's a bit chilly and there are a few people on the street here. These are all the electrical shop. Copper Riley Baker. They always have nice items over there. Before that is Gamma. It's like about all your house items for building and
3D-bril halen.
Vergeten. Sorry. Gaan wij een mooi kamertje zoeken. Oh, weet je nog, we waren hier geweest, hè? Toen hebben wij samen hier gespeeld. Weet je nog, kom. Hier is een mooi babytje. Hier kunnen wij spelen samen. Oh, leuk zeg.
Wat eten?
Wil je eten voor mama maken?
Ja.
Lekker? Wat ga je voor mama maken, schat? Broodje en worst.
Maanbos.
Ja? Gaan we samen een broodje eten? Vind je het lekker?
Is slaapkamer heen. Kom op. Kom op.
Gaan wij heen? Waar gaan wij heen?
Slaapkamer.
Is goed.
Nee.
Hoi. We gaan iets.
Dat is leuk.
Dat is leuk, hè? We gaan nog een keer. So I just finished having a great time with my children. They're absolutely lovely, adorable kids. I love them so much. So I am walking down to Limbeca. I want to check out what they have in this shop. It's very nice shop. I love this bank, right? So cute. Really a nice city. That is the city hall, and this is the expressway. You can see a lot of cars. It's quite busy here, and yeah, the train station is few blocks away from here. It's very interesting. To use this red polish I got from Only You by Issy Paris. So I'm gonna polish it like that. I've added my top coat. You're right. I'm so thankful to God for this beautiful morning. So this morning I'm going to be taking my Shake It. Yes, shaky chocolate flavor. I love this product so much. So what I do, I usually drink this with my fabulous cup from football month, right? So I add a little bit of water to it, and then I add, this is a product you can drink for if in case you want to watch your weight, you want to lose weight, you want to look more fabulous. This is a healthcare product, so if you need any of these, please let me know. It's currently available in the Netherlands, especially in Nigeria if you need to. I like to take my vitamins when I wake up. This is from Benevita Recover. It's from Show Balanced Diet. For sure as well. For energy. Go for energy and vitamin C. These are my current beauty products. I just finished using the citrus facial cleanser to take my bath. I wash my face with this, and of course I use this pumpkin facial scrub, which are all here. They come in different sachets, and these are hair products for hair oil for damaged hair. This is hair conditioner. It's absolutely fabulous. And now I'm going to apply this test. So this is so great on the face. It's an apple stem, it contains apple stem cells. Special treatment to apply on your face. It's usually used in the night. Are you ready? I'm so excited. So I'm going to turn on the music now. Ooh. I hope I nailed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. This is the look. I highly recommend you spend quality time with your children, such as playing football together, watching videos, playing video games together if they enjoy video games, or football, going to the playground. Is very important to create bonding with you and your kids. Me and my lovely sons, we actually had some quality time at their school. Me and my oldest son, we listened to some good music. He also played some games with my telephone, and also showed me around and told me about all his class activities. He's very brilliant. I also spoke with the teacher, and he told me that he's doing great at school. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you actually did enjoy watching this video. Please share with me what you'd like to see in my next video. I create beauty, fashion videos, and also inspiration movies. You may please check out my other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.
She dey give me body.